What's going on, everyone? It's Jacob back with another video, and it has been a while. It's just been crazy busy for me the past couple weeks, man, with just work and the shops getting busier, and it's just been hard for me to put content out, but I want to make sure I keep that going because that is one of my passions. I do enjoy it a lot. So thank you again for everyone being patient and the support and love. And in this video, guys, I did like a flat top, kind of a high skin fade flat top, and then at the end he wanted to sponge it, which I thought that was a cool touch. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I did do another video that I'm gonna be putting out soon, and it's just about my day. And the reason I wanted to do it was I wanted to let you guys know that no matter how busy you think you are or how busy that life may seem, if you want to do something, you guys can do it. So yeah, man, so I kind of let you into one of my days and show you how busy I am and all the things I do throughout the day on top of recording and editing and all that crazy stuff. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's roll the intro. What is going on, everyone? It feels good to be back. Sorry it's been a while, guys. It's been crazy, like I said before, but anyways, let's jump into it. Like always, you want to start off with your bald line, and I go ahead and go all the way around the head to about the back here, and then I'll jump to the other side and start from the other side, and that basically just makes sure that I'm even all the way around the head, because if you just started from one side and created it all the way around, 99% of the time you're gonna be a little off. So after you're done doing that, then you want to take your clipper, no guard, open, and set in your first guideline about a ½ inch to an inch, depending on how much room you have. So this is a high fade, so you don't want to go too high. And then after that guideline, I grab my one guard lever open and I set another guideline in. And then after that one is the 1.5 guard, and I'm only using 3 guards. That's the 1, the 1.5, and the half. After you set in the guideline with your one guard open, you want to go ahead and close the one guard and just soften up that line, because then you're going to come back with your half guard and knock that line out. Here I have no guard and I'm knocking the bottom line out. I know it kind of went quick there, the video's a little sped up, but I already used my half, and knocked out that one guard line. And so now what we're gonna do is it's just touch up work. This particular client's hair is so kinky curly that you have to constantly brush and just go over it with the different guards you used, and make sure you don't lose your spot, and make sure that you are paying attention. Here I'm just gonna pick out the sides a little bit and get a little shape, just enough for me to see a little bit of my vision coming together. Alright, now you just start on the other side, and it's the same exact steps as the side before, so try to follow along. Again, I know it's fast and I apologize for that. I will make sure the next video I slow it down a little bit for you guys, but it's such a high fade and there's only 3 guards I use. You should be able to follow along a little bit and hopefully gain something. I would have to say though, if you gain one thing from this video, it's with this hair texture, you have to be careful and you have to constantly brush it, because every time you go over it with your guard, it drags the hair up and you have to constantly put it back to really get the vision or the end product. Because you might do, trying to get rid of one line and you hit it with the one guard and it might not look like it's out until you brush it down and allow the hair to fall where it's supposed to be, and it's really out. And again, this is me just detailing, going back, because this hair's textures can give you a little bit of problems. So in a couple weeks, it's Orlando premiere. The show is coming up. I'm excited for that show, guys. If you're going, leave some comments below and let me know what you guys think. If you've ever been or if it's your first time, let me know, guys. It should be a lot of fun. Honestly, I am really hoping that Wall has the seniors there, the new cordless ones, and really that's like my main goal for going, is try to get my hands on one of those things. And again, the back is the same exact steps as the front. Now we're just going to connect both sides together and really bring this cut together. With that one guard, the last guard you use with this hair texture, you just want to make sure you're going straight up. You're not digging in or anything, because it's real easy to patch this type of hair texture. It's real easy for one of those kinky curly hairs to get caught up and it just takes a chunk out. So here now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the finishing touches on his flat top. Again, he wanted a flat top, and then at the end we talked about sponging it and he went with it, and I just think it was a super cool look for him. He kind of looks like Wesley Snipes from Blade. If you guys never seen Blade, it's a movie, a vampire movie. Wesley Snipes stars in it. And dude, I'm telling you this, my client looks just like him. So it kind of gets him away from that look with the curls on top. And guys, I'm really gonna try to put out more content and try to be more consistent with it. For a while there, I was doing good every week or 2 weeks, but man, it just got real busy lately. So I actually have another video in the chamber, so I'm gonna really try and be consistent and make sure I'm producing and helping you guys grow as I grow, and helping you guys learn as I learn. And really, that's my main goal. If you've watched any of my videos, you know I say it all the time. I just want to be able to help somebody who was in my position when I really needed it. And I'm not, a master barber or anything, but if I can give anybody anything, that's my goal. Here, I'm just finishing up his lineup. He has a really nice lineup too. I think it hits real hard. It's almost perfect little box, and especially with the hairstyle he's going for. Definitely fits my client well. Yeah, my camera is, the autofocus on it might be hunting quite a bit. I just recently got a new camera, so my next video shouldn't be as bad as it, if you can see, it kind of goes in and out. Here I'm applying some Suavecito. And if you never tried Suavecito, give it a shot. Smells good and it works great. I know a lot of people with sponges and trying to sponge someone's hair, they use special stuff for that, and they do make it and it works great. But to be honest with you, Suavecito is just as good, and you'll be able to see it. It'll hold all day, and again, it smells great. And with the sponge, you kind of want to twist counterclockwise, and push down lightly and then let up. Twist, push down, let up. Twist, push down, and let up. And keep doing that, and it really will get those curls popping. Cool, man. Well, this is the cut. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate all the support.